Premier Classe Montreuil offers affordable comfort just outside Paris. Located a 10-minute walk from Mairie de Montreuil Metro and a short drive to central Paris, this hotel provides convenience and value. Each room is air-conditioned, featuring free Wi-Fi, a TV with cable channels, and a private bathroom with a shower. Guests can start the day with a buffet breakfast served daily from 6 o'clock in the dining area. Vending machines with hot and cold drinks and snacks are also available. The hotel has a 24-hour reception and offers private parking at an additional cost. Premier Classe Montreuil is only a 5-minute drive from Port de Bagnolet and is ideally positioned between Orly and Roissy CDG airports. The price for today is $87, which may vary on other dates. For more information or to book this hotel at the lowest rates, check the video description, scan the QR code, or visit the link on your screen. Share your thoughts in the comments and like this video.